5 best home remedies to get rid of dry hairs. When hairs do not natural moisture or can't retain moisture in the hair shaft, it becomes dry. While malnutrition is one of the key genes for the dry hairs. Use of the harsh chemicals containing hair products, and chlorinated water in the swimming pool is also a source of dry hairs. In addition, pollution, wind and sun, coloring, elective colorals, straightening irons, excessive blow drying are also the one of the main source of your hair drying. Use mild hair care products that suit your hair type and use good quality of the conditioners to keep your hair healthy. Number one is bananas. Bananas are excellent ingredient for treating extremely dry and damaged hairs. The high potassium and moisture content in bananas prevents split ends and softens and improve the elasticity of your hairs. Mash one ripe overripe banana and spread it throughout on your hairs, from the roots to the ends. Leave it on for about an hour and then rinse your hair with leaky warm water. Do this once a week for effective results. Number 2 is honey. Honey is another great home remedy for dry hairs. Honey can trap moisture in your hair, which will make it soft, shiny, and well nourished. Apply 1/2 cup of the honey to freshly washed damp hairs and gently massage it on your scalp. Cover your head with a shower cap for 30 minutes. Rinse it with lukewarm warm water. Do this twice a week for effective results. Mix 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of glycerin, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Use it as a conditioner after washing your hairs. Do this whenever you feel your hairs has become extremely dry. Number 3 is aloe vera. The unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and almond oils in aloe vera can greatly benefit dry and damaged hairs. Mix 1/2 cup of aloe vera gel, 2 teaspoons each of the castor oil, and powder fenugreek, and 1 teaspoon of basil powder. Mix the ingredients well and apply the mixture throughout on your scalp and hairs. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on overnight. In the morning, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Do this at least once a week to see good results within a month or two. Number 4 is sesame oil. Due to high content of nutrients and emollients rich properties, sesame oil can combat hair dryness by protecting and healing the outer damaged layer of your hairs. Plus, its antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties can help to prevent the hair loss. Mix 2 to 3 teaspoons of sesame oil with some grated ginger and massage it on your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Wrap your hairs in a warm towel and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then shampoo your hair as well as usual. Do this once a week. Number 5 is vinegar. Vinegar helps to remove the built-up residue left by shampoo and other products, which is one of the main causes of dry hair. Vinegar also helps to restore the natural pH level of the scalp and prevents the itching and dandruff. 2 common problems associated with dry hairs: mix 1/2 cup of the vinegar with a cup of water. Use the solution to rinse your hair after washing it off. Allow this to sit for 10 minutes and then rinse it off well. This remedy should not be used only once a week.
Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.